Do you precept? Galatians chapter 3, verse 28. There is neither Jew nor Greek. Who are the Greeks? Paul referred to them as Gentiles. The book of Romans chapter 9, verse 24. Even us whom he hath called, not of the Jews only, but also of the Gentiles? Who are these Gentiles that Paul is referring to? Who are these Greeks? He explains it in the next verse. Romans chapter 9, verse 25. As he saith also in the book of Hosea, I will call them my people, which were not my people, and her beloved, which was not beloved. Paul was quoting the prophet Hosea. Let's go to the book of Hosea to see who these Gentiles are. Hosea chapter 1, verse 10. Yet the number of the children of Israel shall be as the sand of the sea, which cannot be measured nor numbered. And it shall come to pass that in the place where it was said unto them, Ye are not my people, there it shall be said unto them, Ye are the sons of the living Yah. The Precept book, Scripture defining Scripture. Over 400 subjects for the 12 tribes of Israel. Order today at YBZYIsraelitestore.etsy.com. Shalom.